When you receive an email, you should show a notification over here. If it is the notification not working, you need to check the three things. So first thing, you need to open the settings. Then we need to go to the systems, and then we find the notification and make sure the notification is on, and also make sure, for example, the messenger you want pop up, it's also on. And the second thing you need to check is go to the personalize, and then you go to the text bar. Then you go to the taskbar behaviors. Make sure the show badges on taskbar apps. Make sure this one is checked, okay? And the last thing you need to do is go to the apps and select installed apps. Make sure, for example, let's search the apps, Messenger, okay? Make sure you check this three dot and advanced options. Make sure it's changed to always. Okay? So after you doing the three changes, I will check the three settings. It should be work. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.